speaker this afternoon embodies a remarkable blend of technical expertise, visionary leadership, and unwavering commitment to public service. Currently serving as the Regional Director of the Commission on Population and Development in Region 10. He has devoted over 3 decades of distinguished service to advancing community welfare through evidence-based policies and transformative initiatives. His career is marked by programs that promote reproductive health, family well-being, gender equality, and sustainable development across northern Mindanao. What makes his presence today even more meaningful is his deep connection to our very own institution. He spent his formative years here at CMU, completing his elementary education at the CMU Elementary Laboratory School and his secondary education at the University Laboratory High School. Many years ago, he was once seated where you are now, a proud graduate of ULHS Batch 1990. He is the eldest son of Sir Rizalito and Ma'am Edith Omega, both respected retired professors of ULHS, whose names may be familiar to some of your parents who studied here. His academic journey continued at the University of Santo Tomas, where he earned his Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, equipping him with analytical acumen and problem-solving skills. He later pursued a master's degree in management, major in management engineering at the Liceo de Cagayan University, further strengthening his expertise in organizational leadership and strategic foresight. His competencies were enriched through international training in information technology management in the public sector in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, broadening his perspective and enhancing his ability to integrate innovation into governance. Beyond his pivotal role in the Commission, he has also made significant contributions to gender and development. He served as chairperson of the Regional Gender and Development Committee of the Regional Development Council in Region 10 from 2023 to 2025, and he was re-elected for another term from 2026 to 2028. Under his leadership, the committee advanced gender-responsive and rights-based development, strengthened partnerships among government agencies and civil society, and empowered communities to embrace inclusivity and equality. His distinguished leadership has earned him both regional and national recognition. Notably, he was awarded 3rd place for Best Regional Director during the Commission on Population and Development's 55th anniversary celebration in February 2024, a prestigious honor that reflects his innovative vision, reflective leadership, and unwavering dedication to the organization's mission. Beyond his professional achievement, our guest speaker is a devoted family man. He is blessed with a supportive wife, Marianne, who holds an administrative position at SM City, and 3 accomplished children, Nicole, a CPA lawyer, Natalie, a registered pharmacist, and JR, who is currently pursuing his college degree. His commitment to family mirrors his commitment to service, both grounded in love, responsibility, and faith. Indeed, our speaker exemplifies the values of service, integrity, and excellence. His journey reminds us that leadership is not merely about authority, but about commitment to the greater good, resilience in the face of challenges, and faith in the transformative power of collaboration. Graduates, faculty, parents, and guests, it is our distinct honor and privilege to welcome our 72nd commencement speaker, the Regional Director of the Commission on Population and Development Region 10, Mr. Neil Audrey G. Omega.